Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log into Roblox without password. If you're trying to log into your Roblox account without password, then that is quite possible. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Roblox application on your device. Once you're inside this welcome screen, click on sign in. Now from this page, go ahead and tap on email me a one-time code button. Now enter the email verified on your account to receive a one-time code in the text box. After typing down an email, click continue. You will then need to enter the 6-digit code that you received via the email. Go ahead and check your email inbox. Now, type down the code that you received. Once done, you will be able to log in to your account. That's how you can easily and quickly log into Roblox without password. This is super useful if you forget your password or want quick access. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.